Okay, this is my program here for C#, going through some of the basic. This is going through some of the basic elements just to write a C# program. You don't need Visual Studio for this. You can just do it straight into the Windows system. Most Windows will come with the necessary Windows software to run these programs. So I'm going to start with just opening a DOS window. If you need to know how to do that, you just type CMD from the run in on the start in Windows, and you can just navigate. If I go to the, you can just navigate to Windows, micro. You can just use. And then framework. So you can just use a star to indicate, as long as there's only one directory that meets the criteria. The compiler is just csc.exe, and it there says no input specified. So we want to put some sort of input into that. So we can just create, like I've got another window here, make directory test, make directory test2. So test2, and then if I want to, let's say use Notepad, I'm just going to call this CS. I need to say using system class okay, so class I'm just going to call test test code. I need a method, main methods. And let's just say I'm going to system.console.writeLine counter I. I'm going to say int I equals 9, I plus 1. Right, so that's my program. So what I'm doing is I'm defining an integer, adding 1 to it, and then outputting it. Should output 10. And I'm using system, and then I've got my method main, which is static. So let's save that and go back to my window here. I need to say test2 dot hello. Okay, then if I run the hello program, and you can see there it says counter 10, so it's now put that. So the learning part was to so this is the program. So we define a class, define a method within the class, and we have our simple commands there. So for people that know C and C++, they will be quite familiar with sort of using line commands. So it just illustrates you don't need to write code in the Visual Studio program.